Hello children, good morning to all of you. In today's class, we are going to discuss the book back exercise of chapter number 13, that is communication and transport. Get ready with your content book page number 112. I hope you all would have completed the book back exercises. So that was the instruction which was given on last class, that's on Wednesday. So get ready with a sharpened pencil and eraser. Listen to the video. Wherever you have written wrong answer or if there is any spelling mistake, kindly erase it and then write. Okay, do not overwrite it, because it's a content book. You need to maintain it very neatly. Okay children, so let's start now. Roman number 1, unscramble the following words. Number 1, it is information. I'll spell it INFORMATION, information. Number 2, telephone. TELEPHONE, telephone. Number 3, computer. COMPUTER, computer. Number 4, transport. TRANSPORT, transport. Roman number 2, fill in the blanks. The ways in which we send and receive information are called the means of communication. So in the space which is provided there, you need to write information. I need not be in capital letter because you're writing in the middle of the sentence. So you can write it in small letter itself. Okay children. So INFORMATION, information. People who cannot speak or hear communicate through dash language. It is sign language. SIGN, sign language. Number 3, a dash sends and receives written or typed documents in electronic form. It is fax machine or fax mail. I'll spell it FAXMACHINE, fax machine, or fax mail, FACSIMILE, fax mail. Fourth one, dash ships that carry only oil are called oil tankers. The answer is the cargo ships. Okay, so it is first letter of a new sentence, the starting letter. Okay, so you need to write it using capital letter. The first letter has to be in capital letter. Cargo, C-A-R, C has to be in capital letter. C-A-R-G-O, cargo. Cargo ships that carry only oil are called oil tankers. Roman number 3, true or false. We communicate with others to share news, ideas, or our feelings. So we communicate to other people to share these things, right? So the sentence is correct. So you need to write true in the box given there, or you can also put T there, capital T. Number 2, when you call anyone outside your state, you make an ISD call. So it is false. What's the correct sentence children? So you make ISD calls only if you call somebody, you make ISD calls only if you call somebody outside of the country. So here, if you call somebody outside the state, if you call your relatives or friends who are staying in the next state or outside of your state, you make STD calls. That is subscribers trunk dialing. So here they have said ISD calls. What's the expansion for ISD calls? International subscriber dialing. So the statement is false. You can write F in the space given there. Third one, the Grand Trunk Road is one of the oldest highways in India. Yes, it is the one of the oldest highways in India. So the sentence is true. Fourth one. Airways is the fastest mode of travel. Airways is the fastest mode. Yes, it is the fastest mode. So the sentence is correct. You can put T there. So it is all about the book back exercises. We have completed the entire chapter. We discussed about communication, means of communication, transportation, means of transport, and today's FCT. You're going to write FCT in this chapter. I'm going to dictate the questions. Kindly note down the questions and write the test. Be true to yourself. Be honest. Do not cheat yourself. Do not cheat your parents. Okay? Complete the test and do self-correction and get sign from your parents. Take a picture and send it to your class teacher. Okay? So, question number 1. It is you're going to write the test for 15 marks. Okay, children? So, first 5 marks it is for hard words. So, put hard words, put Roman number 1 hard words and start writing. Number 1. Communication. Communication. Number 2. Braille script. Braille script. Number 3. Courier. Courier. Number 4. Photographs. Number 4. Photographs. Number 5. Submarine. Submarine. So, these are hard words. Then put Roman number 2. Short answers or answer the following. You can write in whatever way you want. Answer the following. Okay. Define communication. Define communication. Number 2. What are the means of transport? What are the means of transport? Yes, question number 3. Give few examples of mass media communication. Give few examples of mass media communication. So that means here you need to write through which mass media communication can be done. The medium through which mass media communication can be done. So you have to write the examples of this. Okay, children. Next, 4th one. Name the metro cities in India. Name the metro cities in India. You can list any 4 cities. Any 4 metro cities in India. Next, question number 5. What are the 3 types of ships that is used for various purpose? So we know different types of ships are used for different purpose, right? So you need to write what are those varieties, okay? Various types of ships. So you're going to write 5 questions and 5 hard words which I dictated here. And children, make sure whatever you're writing, you have to write it with the introductory sentence and concluding sentence. You have to start with the introductory sentence, write the answer, keep full stop, or else write the answer and conclude the sentence. I wanted you to write with the full sentence. Do not write See, for example, if I'm asking, give you examples of mass media communication, means you have to start with the introductory sentence like the examples of mass media communication are. You have to write that, then put hashtags that are bulletin. Okay, I have to put the symbols and write the answer. Do not simply write whatever you know. For example, you have to put question number also. That is also mandatory, children. Simply writing books, magazines, journal, not, you should not do like that. Okay, I don't want one word answers. Write the answers in a full form. Complete answers has to be there. So again I'm repeating, be true to yourself, be honest, then do self correction. Seeing your book, write it in ink pen or gel pen. Do not write in ballpoint pen, it will spoil your handwriting. And do self correction using pencil. Then get sign from your parents, take a photograph and send it to your class teacher. Okay, so let's see in next video. Thank you, children.